Hello friends, hope you are doing great. This is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Crazy and Career Insights. So before watching of my this video, please give a look for my previous sessions where I explain about the basic concept of the SQL. Also, as well as in my previous session, I explained that how we can set a primary key for a single or multiple columns of a table. And also, I explained that how we can perform the practical operations for the tables as well as databases. So these are things which can make a sense for get a better understanding for our upcoming sessions. So watch these all videos as soon as possible. So let's see for today's session. So in today's session, I am going to explain that how we can retrieve that like whatever the table names are there and column names are there for the system as well as user-defined tables. So all the how we can retrieve these user-defined as well as system tables from the particular SQL server or databases. So these are things I am going to explain in this session. So for get a better understanding, I will explain with the help of the performing the practical operations. So for performing the practical operation, let's see the SQL server. So here you can see that like I have to retrieve whatever the tables names are there. I have to retrieve the column names. So these are things we gonna perform in the SQL server. So here you can see that there is one demo database there, like this database which we have created previously. Also here you can see the several databases like master, model, MSDB. So these are three databases like which are the system databases which are provided by the SQL server. Before the when we install this SQL server on the same time, it's already come with that. So these are all information about the databases. Also, this REST API and TMDB. This TMDB is one type of the temporary database. We will discuss about this temporary databases in our upcoming sessions. The REST API is one of the user-defined database which I created previously. So now I have to what I have to do. I have to retrieve the whatever the system tables are inside this inside this SQL server, or whatever user-defined tables are available inside this SQL server, or like whatever and whatever the these all the user-defined tables and SQL system tables we store inside the like somewhat system databases or the user-defined databases. So now I have to retrieve all the information like about the tables, whether it's a user-defined or system defined. So first what I will do, I will going to use the select statement. So select all from, and I am going to use sys.object. This one of the what we can say, this is one of the uh, object is there or context or one of the table which is available inside this SQL server, which is making a sense for the retrieving the various fields of records from the our like whatever the fields are stored inside these sys tables, we can easily retrieve. So first what I will do, I will select the statement. I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that it's giving the information about the various fields inside this object table. So here you can see that it's contain the name, object ID. I will explain about some of the main fields like name, object ID, then type description, type, then create table, modify date. So it's giving the information about these all things. Like whatever the suppose you can see that uh, I have created some of the user defined tables for this demo database. So by with the help of this performing this operation, select all from tables, I can easily able to retrieve the information about the user defined tables like which is stored inside this demo database. But now what I have to perform, I have to retrieve the all the like whatever the tables what are the system defined tables or user defined tables stored inside the SQL server databases. I have to retrieve the information about these all things. So how I can perform? So what I will do first, I will select this. I will copy this statement and I will paste it here. And after that, here I will give objects. So while discussing about the object the contain the information about the like functions, so procedure, views, triggers, cursor, and whatever the temporary table. This all information was stored inside this object. And C dot object is one type of table which we can call as a system defined table, which is stored inside the SQL Server system databases. So first I will execute this statement, so you will get the brief idea. So here you can see that it's contain information about the name, object ID, schema ID, parent ID, type description, create table, and modified date. So this all information is stored inside this object table. So this name is what are the names are like here you can see that it's contain the information what are the data available inside this name column. It's contain all the table names. So which is stored inside the this name column in the form of the data. Also, it's contain information about the type description, like it's contain the like what are the tables we store inside the this system as a user defined tables. It's giving the information like which table having this type, like this is considered. Like here you can see that there are several system tables are there, internal tables are there, and it's contains somewhat user tables like which is created by us. So this are information. Even is giving the information about the primary constraint like which created on this imply table. So these are information we can easily retrieve, that it's giving the information about the various things like functions, store procedure, cursor, constraint, even temporary tables. This all information we can easily get with the help of the performing these operations. So now what I will do, here you can see that previously with the help of this select all from the select dot tables, I can easily able to grab the or retrieve the records for the user defined tables like which are stored inside this demo database. So I have to perform the same operations. So how we by with the help of the another SQL query. So how I can do that? So for that I will explain with the help of the performing the practical operations. So select so I will write a query for that. So first I will do I will explain about the information schema tables. So you will get the better understanding that how we can retrieve the only user defined tables from the information schema this object like what we say inside this from this table. So here you can see that select all from information schema dot tables. So first I will select the statement and I click on the execute tab. Yeah, so here you can see that it's contain the information about this demo database, and inside this demo database it's contain the table schema DBO, and what are the tables like what are tables which are stored inside this demo database is contain the information about these all things. Like here you can see that the employee organization table are stored inside the this information underscore schema dot tables object. So now I have to retry this only like here you can see that this employee table is available in this demo database. Now I want to return this only employee table. So how we can perform? So for that what I will do, first I will select this statement and I will copy this statement and I will take the another query here. So for that what I will do, I will take the table name and here I will change some like here I will take the same thing, but here I will apply the where clause, and inside this where clause I will take one condition. So based on that condition I will retrieve the only employee table. So here you can see that here I have provided one condition. So here so what I will do, 1 minute. Yeah, so here I given the like table name. So first I will execute this select this statement and click on this execute tab. So here you can see that it's giving the information about only employee table which is available inside this demo database. But I don't have any like whatever the columns are stored inside this table. So I want information about those all columns. So how I can how I can get that information. So what I will do, first I will select this statement and I will again copy this statement and paste here. So now I want to retrieve the columns like fields like which are available inside this employee table. So how I can perform that? So for that I will take here column name, and after that what I will do here, I will change the instead of the tables I will use the columns, and here based on this like here I will give the condition, and based on that condition I will take the employee as a employee name as in the form of the string. So so after that I will select this statement, I will click on this execute tab. So here you can see that it's giving the information about the like what are the schemas or like what are the fields are available for this employee table. It's showing the information about that. So the employee table contains the schema like ID, name, age, and salary. So these are information we can easily grab with the help of the performing this all operation. That sys dot object, sys dot tables, information underscore schema dot tables, information underscore schema dot columns. So these all things give us information about our user defined as well as system tables as well as columns. Also how we with the help of this performing this is dot object operation, we can briefly get idea about the primary what are the constraints are available for the particular tables, like what is the user defined or system table. So we will easily get the information about these all things. So I hope you got the better understanding by watching this video. So let's see. So thank you so much for watching this video, and show your support by liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming updates and notification. So let's keep learning together. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.